This isn't your average shotgun. It's a mechanical masterpiece straight from Israel's innovation labs. With 3 rotating tubes, a futuristic bullpup layout, and a 15+1 capacity, the IWI Tavor TS12 has redefined what modern firearm engineering looks like. Let's uncover how this incredible system actually works. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly remarkable. The IWI Tavor TS12, a creation from Israel that has taken the firearm engineering world by surprise. This isn't about conflict or combat, it's about design innovation and the cutting-edge ideas shaping modern technology. The Tavor TS12 isn't just another shotgun, it's a bullpup-style semi-automatic shotgun that packs serious innovation into a compact, futuristic frame. Developed by Israel Weapon Industries, IWI, this firearm represents years of engineering research focused on efficiency, reliability, and user adaptability. What makes the TS12 stand out instantly is its 3-tube magazine system, giving it an impressive 15.1 shell capacity, something rarely seen in a semi-automatic shotgun. But it's not only the numbers that make it special, it's how this system operates in harmony with its bullpup design, ergonomic controls, and forward-thinking layout. In this video, we'll break down every part of the TS12, from its rotating mechanism to its gas operation system, materials, handling experience, and even how it compares to traditional models. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll see why the Tavor TS12 isn't just a shotgun, but a statement in engineering innovation. The story of the IWI Tavor TS12 begins with Israel Weapon Industries, the same company behind the famous Tavor rifle series. Israel's defense engineers are known for creating compact, efficient, and durable systems that work in complex conditions. The TS12 was designed with that same philosophy to bring a compact yet high-capacity shotgun to both professional and civilian markets. Unlike traditional firearms that evolve slowly, the TS12 was built almost from scratch. The engineers aimed to rethink how a 12-gauge shotgun could perform, especially when users demand more rounds, faster reloads, and smaller form factors. The result was a shotgun that combines innovation with practicality, blending traditional reliability with futuristic design. It took several years of prototyping before IWI finalized the mechanism, particularly the rotating magazine tubes, which had to be both durable and simple enough to operate under pressure. The engineers tested countless materials and balanced configurations to make sure the system stayed consistent and safe. Once launched, the Tavor TS12 instantly gained attention not only from tactical experts, but also from enthusiasts around the world. It wasn't just because it looked futuristic. It was because the design itself solved real world handling challenges in a way that no other shotgun had done before. The TS12's bullpup design is its most defining feature. In a bullpup layout, the action and magazine are placed behind the trigger, allowing the gun to maintain a shorter overall length without sacrificing barrel size. This makes it compact, balanced, and easier to maneuver in confined environments. For the Tavor TS12, the bullpup configuration means you get a full-length 18.5-inch barrel in a body that's significantly shorter than traditional shotguns. This design provides better weight distribution, keeping the center of gravity closer to the shooter's shoulder. The result is smoother handling, quicker aiming, and reduced fatigue. However, bullpup designs are not easy to perfect. Engineers must manage trigger linkage, shell ejection, and ergonomics carefully to ensure reliability. IWI's solution in the TS12 is particularly clever. The trigger response feels natural, while the ejection port can be switched from one side to the other, making it friendly for both right and left-handed shooters. Visually, the bullpup layout also contributes to the TS12's modern, futuristic aesthetic. Its polymer chassis, clean lines, and integrated rails make it look like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's entirely functional. The Bullpup design isn't just about looks. It's about efficiency, stability, and bringing the barrel's performance closer to the shooter's control point. Now, let's get to the part that truly makes the TS12 a legend. Its 3 rotating magazine tubes. Each tube holds up to 5 shells, giving a total of 15 rounds plus 1 in the chamber. Instead of reloading after 5 shots like a standard shotgun, you simply rotate the magazine cylinder to bring a new tube into position. This idea was revolutionary. IWI essentially gave users the ability to carry triple the ammunition without extending the gun's length or weight drastically. The rotation mechanism is smooth and can be operated manually with a quick hand motion. From a mechanical perspective, the design is brilliantly simple yet robust. The system uses a rotational locking hub that aligns each tube precisely with the feeding mechanism. The gas-operated action cycle shells automatically, maintaining consistency between tube changes. Users often praise the TS12 for allowing different loads in each tube, meaning you can switch between shell types quickly depending on your need. That's an advanced feature that most conventional shotguns can't offer. This rotating magazine system isn't just clever, it's a clear example of how Israeli engineers approach real-world problems with technical creativity. It turns what used to be a limitation, low capacity, into an engineering advantage that enhances both flexibility and control. When you first pick up the Tavor TS12, the quality of its construction becomes immediately clear. IWI used a combination of reinforced polymers and aircraft-grade metals to achieve an ideal balance of strength and weight. The polymer body keeps it lightweight while resisting corrosion, scratches, and environmental wear. The metal components, including the barrel, gas system, and internal parts, are precision machined to tight tolerances. This ensures that even under long-term use, the cycling action remains smooth and consistent. Another engineering highlight is the modular rail system integrated into the body. The TS12 features M-Loke compatibility and Picatinny rails for attaching optics, lights, or other accessories. Every part feels purpose-built, not decorative. The fit and finish of the TS12 reflect IWI's focus on both industrial design and functional craftsmanship. The smooth polymer surfaces, ergonomic grips, and minimal seams give it a refined, professional look. Even though it's a complex machine, it feels surprisingly simple to handle. Many reviewers note how well balanced the shotgun feels when shouldered, a direct result of the Bullpup design and smart material choices. Overall, the TS12's build quality reflects IWI's commitment to durability and precision, proving that innovation and practicality can coexist beautifully in one design. Operating the Tavor TS12 feels futuristic yet intuitive. It uses a gas-operated semi-automatic system, which means every time you fire, the gas pressure cycles the action, ejects the spent shell, and loads the next one automatically. This allows smooth, rapid firing without needing manual pumping. The controls are positioned for quick access, including the safety selector, magazine release, and charging handle. Everything feels symmetrical and ambidextrous, ensuring both right and left-handed users can operate it with comfort. Recoil management is another standout feature. Despite being a 12-gauge shotgun, the TS12's design absorbs much of the recoil through its structure and gas system, making it softer and more stable to shoot compared to many others. Reloading is simple too. You can load shells directly into each tube without disassembling anything. The real magic happens when switching between tubes. The manual rotation makes it feel almost cinematic. On the range, the TS12 delivers consistent performance. Shooters often describe it as smooth but powerful. With fast follow-up shots and easy target reacquisition, it's not just about power, it's about balance and precision. In short, the handling experience proves that IWI didn't just focus on specs, they engineered the TS12 around real user experience, comfort, and control. To truly understand what makes the TS12 special, it helps to compare it with traditional shotguns. Most conventional 12-gauge semi-automatics use a single under-barrel magazine tube that holds about 5 to 7 rounds. Once empty, the shooter must reload one shell at a time, slow and inefficient during continuous use. The TS12 completely changes that equation. With 3 independent tubes and a total of 15+1 rounds, it's not only faster but also more flexible. You can load different shells, for example, slug, buckshot, and birdshot, in each tube and rotate depending on your need. Traditional models are usually longer, heavier, and front-heavy. The TS12's Bullpup layout eliminates that imbalance, giving you a compact profile with better handling. It's shorter, but maintains the same barrel length, meaning accuracy and range remain unaffected. In essence, the Tavor TS12 combines the advantages of tactical flexibility, high capacity, and ergonomic control into a single compact frame. Many experts view it as a leap in shotgun evolution, representing what future multi-role designs could look like. It's not meant to replace traditional shotguns entirely, but to show what's possible when engineers prioritize user adaptability and innovative structure over convention. Since its release, the Tavor TS12 has received wide attention from reviewers and firearm enthusiasts across the world. Most feedback highlights 3 key strengths: capacity, balance, and design. Users often praise how easily it handles despite its unique configuration. The rotating magazine system gets particular admiration for its reliability. It doesn't jam easily and cycles smoothly. Reviewers from well-known firearm channels and publications noted that the TS12 feels futuristic but practical, a rare mix in modern designs. Some users initially found the rotation system unusual, but after practice, many describe it as one of the most enjoyable features. The ability to instantly switch between different shell types is considered a major advantage. Critics also appreciate the build quality, stating that the polymer feels solid and durable rather than plastic-like. The overall balance and reduced recoil make it comfortable for extended sessions. Of course, no design is perfect. Some users mention that mastering the reload rhythm takes time, but once familiar, it becomes second nature. In summary, public reception of the Tavor TS12 has been largely positive, with most users calling it a conversation starter, a shotgun that not only performs, but also fascinates anyone who sees or holds it for the first time. Behind the Tavor TS12 lies a clear engineering vision to merge compact efficiency with innovation. IWI's engineers didn't simply build a shotgun, they built a platform for future concepts. Each element, from the Bullpup layout to the magazine system, serves a precise purpose in achieving balance, control, and adaptability. Their approach reflects Israel's broader design philosophy: function first, innovation always. Instead of following trends, IWI creates them. The TS12 isn't trying to be flashy, it's trying to be efficient. Every part of it is driven by mechanical reasoning. Why place the action here? Why rotate instead of reload? Every choice leads to real-world benefits. From a technical standpoint, this firearm demonstrates how mechanical design can evolve even in categories that seemed perfected decades ago. By integrating gas operation, modularity, and intelligent ergonomics, the TS12 sets a benchmark for future semi-automatic systems. It's an engineering case study showing how bold ideas and precise execution can challenge tradition and create something entirely new. For those interested in technology, the TS12 is less a gun and more a masterclass in mechanical problem solving. As we wrap up this exploration, one thing becomes clear: the IWI Tavor TS12 isn't just about performance, it's about the art of engineering. From its Bullpup configuration to its rotating triple tube magazine, every element tells a story of innovation, precision, and vision. Israel's IWI team has once again proven how design thinking and practical engineering can merge seamlessly. The TS12 challenges old conventions and redefines what efficiency can look like in a compact system. Its futuristic aesthetics, user-friendly operation, and clever mechanical structure make it stand apart in every aspect. Even years after its release, it remains one of the most talked about firearm designs in the world, not because of controversy, but because of creativity. For enthusiasts, engineers, and technology lovers alike, the Tavor TS12 represents the future of design, a future where compactness, capacity, and control coexist in perfect harmony. If you enjoyed learning about the engineering behind the IWI Tavor TS12, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who appreciate smart technology and design innovation. Your support helps us keep exploring fascinating machines like this one. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of advanced engineering. And as always, thanks for watching.